Welcome to Honeywell. Thank you for choosing smart home security to help you monitor your home. Your base station uses unique sounds and colored lights to help you know what's happening at home. You can activate home and away modes automatically or by hand. To set your system to automatically know when you're coming and going, use geofencing to set a virtual boundary around your home. When you leave, your app can use your phone's GPS to change your system's mode to away when you cross over the boundary. Your system will automatically change to home mode when you return. To set up geofencing, tap Menu, then Geofence and set the radius for your home. To activate each mode by hand, use the controls in the app. When you leave for the day, set your system to away mode. The camera base station will start a countdown, giving you enough time to leave your home. The base station will then show a steady green glow, indicating away mode is activated. While you're gone, a window opening or any motion detected inside your home will trigger an audible alarm immediately. When you return, opening the door will start an entry countdown, giving you enough time to activate home mode using the app or key fob. Once in home mode, the camera base station will give a steady white pulse of light before going dark to let you know that your motion sensors are disabled. Doors and windows will still chime when opened, and you'll get an alert on your phone. When it's time to go to bed, set your system to night mode. A purple steady glow will let you know your access sensors are active. A door opening will start a countdown, giving you time to switch to home mode, while windows will trigger an alarm immediately. Indoor motion sensors and indoor motion viewers are disabled in night mode, so you can move about your home freely. Finally, setting your system to off will disable all your access sensors and alerts. However, voice control and your camera on the base station will still function unless you turn off cameras within your app. Plus, at any time, you can simply turn on the privacy ring to cover the camera. Now, let's cover some basic functions of your base station. To temporarily turn off the microphone, you can press the button on top of the base station and a red light will appear, indicating it has been silenced. You can control the volume of the speaker by swiping in a circular motion around the top of the device. When your base station thinks there is an issue, it will flutter amber light, or red if the issue is more serious. When this happens, tap the top of your base station to hear what the problem is. For example, low battery. Now, you can begin using your base station. It feels good to be home.